You've waited months to relax on spring break, but the pollen doesn't care about your vacation. The most important thing in your beach bag are Kleenex Snap Go tissues. They are a compact, portable vacation hero. Tough enough for allergy sneezing fits, but ultra soft on sensitive skin. The protective, colorful case keeps the sand on the beach where it belongs.
Mom, look out! Miss me?
Did I mention that they are also super absorbent?